That's a quick bouncer.
This was short and quick and was well left by Ramesh. Moving away from the line, keeping the eyes on the ball. It's well done.
That's gone over Mohan. Four welcome runs for the Indians. Score moves on to 47. And this really is a telling partnership now. If they can get to 50, it's a big, big psychological victory.
No ball. This ball really did dip in very, very quickly.
This was nicely bowled. Put in a lot of effort in that one. Came back to Lakshman. There you see a bit of reverse swing for Shoaib Akhtar.
In the first innings, he was declared out leg before to Wasim Akram. And then and this time he's got him with a short pitch delivery. In the second innings, he's dismissed him with a quick bouncer.
Watch the line here. The line of the short pitch ball is extremely good. Aimed towards the body. That's what got him into trouble. Trying to get out of the way. Just got a bit of glove on it.
Takes a quick single. But I'm not too sure that was such a good idea.
I think he was struggling here.
This one kept low. It was pitched halfway down. The ball just kept low.
With the speed itself is difficult to handle, and when the bounce is uneven, well, it's a nightmare for the batsman.
Takes a quick single. But I'm not too sure that was such a good idea.
I think he was struggling here.
This one kept low. It was pitched halfway down. The ball just kept low.
With the speed itself is difficult to handle, and when the bounce is uneven, well, it's a nightmare for the batsman.
There he goes. That's what he was trying. Lure him into the drive. Good over that. 151 for 4.
The Pakistan is very noisy now. They're right on top. And that was good ball again.
No ball again.
Now that ball was awesome. It was quick and swung a long way. Could have missed leg stump maybe, but the no ball call just helped us on that occasion there. Could have missed leg stump, but very close.
And Nazruddin on the back foot. The last one playing it. Went over the boundary line.
Big shout, he's out, LBW. Nayan Mungia not fully forward, but in swinging delivery, striking once again for Pakistan. And India.
This is a very good delivery. Came back, the in-swinger, and caught him plumb in front of the wickets. Good attacking bowling by Shoaib Akhtar. Getting Mongi out. LBW. India lose another wicket. There's 6-1 for 190.
Bit of bad saved him maybe. But again, very quick and bit of swing as well.
Well, I think it was drifting to us down the leg side.
Well, I think that's what the umpire said, going down.
No doubt about it. Middle stump. And just watch the wicketkeeper.
Well, that's a quick delivery, but that came back too much to the missed leg stump. 209 for 6.
Much later. This is the slow delivery. Very well bowled, very well disguised by Shoaib Akhtar.
Yes, he's got a very good slow one as well. You see fingers being rolled over the ball, and it narrowly missed the off stump. Yes, that was very close indeed.
Big shout. Once again, I think the ball was doing just a little too much. '88, his highest test score. It came here in Calcutta in 1996 against South Africa. Hit it up in the air. Has he taken it? He's walked. Anil Kumble has walked. He hasn't even waited for the umpire's decision.
Well, see now, see not there for the drive, and the bat in the air, and a brilliant take by Shahid Afridi. That's a wonderful catch. Diving
Proceedings. They were waiting for the result here. Came in sharply and did well to counter that. 231 for 9. Was bowled in, quite expected, and Akhtar again gets it on the spot, and the Pakistanis have won the first test match in the Coca-Cola Asian Test Championship.